If you want 2026 to be your financial glow-up era, then these YouTubers will help you get started. This is part 2 of our glow-up series where I convince you to stop wishing for financial freedom and start creating it. First, we talked about the books that helped me fix my finances. Ngayon naman, we'll talk about the YouTubers who genuinely inspired me to get my financial shit together. Honestly, yung number 2, gusto ko siya i-gatekeep kasi kakapanood ko ng mga videos niya, feeling ko close na kami. Pero dahil malakas kayo sa akin, sige na nga. Number 1 is Ali Abdaal. I know na-mention ko na siya before, pero I will never stop talking about him kasi isa talaga siya sa mga pinakaunang YouTubers na pinanood ko, and he helped me understand money, productivity, in the simplest and calmest way possible. Ang isa sa pinaka-memorable na video niya for me is yung How to Get Rich, where he mentioned that you need to be obsessed with becoming rich if you want to become one. If you want a gentle pero effective nudge to take your finances or your productivity seriously, I highly recommend that you watch one of his videos. Number 2 is yung gusto kong i-gatekeep, pero dahil feeling ko madami kayo matututunan sa kanya, her YouTube channel is Nisha. Be careful lang kasi once you watch one of her videos, you will be glued to your screen for hours. Hindi dahil mahaba yung mga content niya, but because i-binge watch mo talaga siya kasi ang dali i-consume ng content. She's an investment banker and an accountant, pero the way she explains money sa videos niya is very well scripted. Walang jargons, walang fluff. Kung ano lang talaga yung kailangan mong makuha dun sa video niya, yun lang yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. She talks about finance, retirement, investing, and real-life money psychology. Whether you're a beginner or you want a deeper understanding about the topics na na-mention ko kanina, I highly recommend that you watch one of her videos. Number 3 is a local investor, and I think she's a gem that everyone needs to discover. So kung interested ka na malaman kung paano magsimula mag-invest dito sa Pilipinas, I highly recommend that you watch MoneyWise Engineer. Her videos feel practical na para bang tita mo lang siya na nag-explain about investing over merienda. Plus, her tips and advice are based on her own experience as an investor, so they feel doable. As a bonus and a shameless plug, if you're interested to learn more about the topics that I share in this platform, feel free to check out my YouTube channel. So there, I have long-form content about personal finance, simple money habits, and frugal living. Comment down below if you want part 3. That's it for today. Ciao!